Hello, Sagittarian people. From May 16th to 31st, 2025, the stars are lighting up your zones of communication, adventure, and personal growth. Let's explore how you can make the most of this dynamic energy. This period boosts your curiosity and desire for connection. Jupiter, your ruling planet, amplifies your natural optimism, making it a great time to share ideas, learn new things, or dive into meaningful conversations. Around May 18th to 20th, Mercury aligns with Jupiter, bringing lucky breaks in networking, travel plans, or expanding your horizons. Stay open to opportunities. They could lead to exciting possibilities. Mid-month also encourages you to focus on your home and emotional well-being. Strengthen family bonds or create a space that reflects your adventurous spirit. If single, romance may spark through shared adventures or intellectual connections. Couples should prioritize honest communication to deepen trust. As May 25th approaches, Mars energizes your career sector. Take bold steps toward professional goals. Your confidence and drive will attract recognition. However, avoid overcommitting. Balance ambition with self-care. Between May 27th and 31st, Saturn squares Uranus, challenging routines and stability. Embrace change while staying grounded in your values. Your adaptability will help you navigate any turbulence. Remember, Sagittarius, your zest for life inspires everyone around you. Use your enthusiasm to explore, grow, and connect, but don't forget to honor your own needs. Stay optimistic and trust your instincts. The universe supports your journey toward expansion and fulfillment. Aim high. You've got this, Sagittarius.